In a decisive show of intent to strengthen both combat and surveillance capabilities, the Cabinet Committee on Security has approved two defence projects worth a combined 82,000 crore rupees. The first involves a 62,000 crore rupees procurement of 97 additional Tejas Mk1 light combat aircraft from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, building on a previous order of 83 aircraft and taking the Indian Air Force's total Tejas Mk1 commitment to 180 units, its single largest indigenous fighter acquisition to date. The Mk1A, boosting over 65% indigenous content, modern avionics, SR radar and mid-air refueling capability, is intended to replace the retiring MiG-21 fleet. Yet execution remains a concern. HAL had targeted 12 deliveries this fiscal and a production ramped up to 24 jets annually, but timelines have already been affected by delays in the supply of GE F404 engines. While 3 production lines, including a new Nashik facility, are expected to accelerate output, sustained vendor support and supply chain stability will be critical to meet squadron requirements. Alongside the fighter acquisition, the CCS has also cleared the Netra Mk2 Airborne Early Warning and Control (AEW&C) program, a 20,000 crore rupees project to deliver 6 advanced surveillance aircraft. These platforms will be built on Airbus A321 airframes sourced from Air India and equipped with DRDO-developed SR radars. The Netra Mk2 is designed to provide 300 degrees coverage, enhanced threat detection, and airborne command capabilities. Building on the earlier Embraer-based Netra Mk1 fleet, the new variant promises substantially greater range and endurance, placing India among a select group of nations with indigenous airborne early warning and control aircraft. Together, these twin approvals deepen India's push for Atmanirbhar Bharat, aligning indigenous production with operational requirements. The expanded Tejas order supports a vast domestic supply chain, while the Netra Mk2 represents a leap in airborne surveillance and information dominance, capabilities vital in a contested regional airspace. The challenge ahead lies not in policy approvals but in timely execution. Engine bottlenecks for Tejas and integration complexities for Netra will test India's ability to deliver at scale. Success, however, would mark a watershed moment, an indigenous fighter fleet backed by homegrown surveillance assets, steering the IAF towards a more network-centric and future-ready posture.